Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. You already know it's your girl. It's Smokey, bitch. If you're new, stay here. Subscribe. Like this video too. Yeah. If you're not new, thank you for returning. You already know. Tapped into a real bitch. Get into it, y'all. Y'all need my hair done. I'm finna get it done though. It's maintenance time, fall maintenance. Finna go get my nails done. Halloween theme. It's gonna match my costume. My Halloween costume is gonna be Spider-Girl. So I'm Spider-Man, but I'm sexy, the girl version. Yeah, gonna be real cute. And this year I'm actually having a costume buddy. So my friend's gonna be Grwm. And we gonna, pop shit. Sexy version. But I'm finna be going to get my nails done with my favorite nail tech, the only nail tech that I go to. Y'all know. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is a customized set. It's not as customized as my other sets, but I am gonna show y'all how I smoke with my sets. We gonna start right here. So this is the main, these were really cute. I really like them. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go with that. But I seen this one and was like, both hands being different would be cute as hell. Like, so we gonna take this, but we're gonna do this, and it's gonna be the same design as the first photo, but I'm gonna tweak it. So like the pinky for the colored one, so this pinky right here, and both of them is gonna be the diamond you see right here. But on the black and white hand, it's gonna be like black and white diamonds, you know? So this hand's really just gonna be black and white with the black and white designs, and then this one's gonna be the colored for the Spider-Man colors. And then I want a 3D spider. So let me scroll back up. So if we go back to this hand, so you see how this is the spider right there? I'm gonna be doing a 3D big one in the middle instead of like that. And then for this finger, there's a web. Well, I think it's a spider. There's a spider right there on that French, but I'm going to be doing a web on the bottom of that nail. That nail's something like this. This one right here. So that's basically me telling my nail tech like what I want done. And when I get there, I may change some stuff. Might do a little freestyle or something. Like, it always happens. Like, I never keep what I choose, but it's always like the same concept type shit. But yeah, that is literally me like explaining to my nail tech like what the fuck I want, and she do exactly what I want plus some. Okay, yeah, that's why she the best. Let's go get these nails put on, y'all, cause a bitch is ready to be back on her shit.
Gotta keep going, yeah, ain't got no patience. But they say they shoot me, yeah, nigga, we waiting. I ain't tell no nigga or nothing they saying. Got mama in the room, yeah, she praying. Cause if you move on, you know that we spraying. I don't know dates, yeah, that we laying. Y'all, dates, nigga. Let that bitch ride. Let that bitch ride.
So crazy thing is, I ended up doing something so much different than what I was supposed to be doing for my nails, y'all. Like, it's still Spider-Man, but like these hoes is, yeah, y'all can't say my nail tech ain't eat the fuck down. Look at the 3D spider. Like, what? Oh, what? Yeah, all that. Let's get into the other hand. Black Venom type shit. My nail tech ate the fuck down. Like, she did her job. Like, she did. She did that one-on-one. Yeah. Oh, what? Hold on, let me do a background. Yeah, ain't even got no flash on these hoes. These hoes is pure sunny. get into it. Yeah. Period. What's am to the YouTube channel. Today we is finna be doing our little wig install. Y'all know I'm in a bonnet, so y'all know what time it is. So yeah, let's get on into this install, baby. the finished outcome, y'all. I suck at bangs for real. I may add some more, I don't know. I was going for a fringe look, but you know, it's giving. I mean, it's giving sizzle vibes. Anywho, I'm finna go to Burlington because Burlington just opened up in my city, and yeah, so I'm finna get dressed for that and go to Burlington. Here is the fit today, y'all. I decided to claw clip my hair. I don't know, it just looked better with this outfit. So here is the outfit, the screen jacket, the back of it. Yeah. Y'all, I customized these myself. Get in with me for the customs. Y'all already know who to tap in with. YouTube. Kruski. Hey, YouTube.